I'm looking at the COMFEE retro design tabletop fridge. It's retro design, self-closed door, chill zone and energy saving. It weighs 15.6 kilogram. That's the gross weight. It's 14.3 kilogram and dimensions 485 by 490 by 500. I'm going to open it up and have a look at it, and then I'll give it a try out. Pull straight off the top. Plastic covered. And there we are. So all the doors are taped shut. Let's take that off. I see the handle's not on it. Obviously you have to fit the handle on. It's packed in polystyrene on the bottom. Protect it. And there we go. It's the inside of it. Here's the handle to fit that on. Everything's taped shut inside. There's the chiller box there, and I shall set it all up and then plug it in and give it a go, and I'll come back and have a look at it then. I've now got it all unpacked and set up, plugged in. I fitted the handle. That's a couple of Phillips head bolts go through there to fit it on, and then the chrome plate just clips on the front of it. You've got a pull handle there to open it, or you've got this handle. On the bottom you've got a couple of adjustable feet leg at the front to level it up. It's keeping everything nice and cool. It's been running for a couple of days now. The adjustment here, you've got the ice box there, that's working perfectly. All working very well. The only thing it hasn't got is a light on the inside, but apart from that, yeah, it seems very good, and I shall carry on using it and come back with my full written review.